Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the importance of custom-made GPTs, and I'm going to show you how you can make one for yourself. Let's get into it. First of all, these are custom-made GPTs right here. These two are made by me. This is one from the Explore GPT page. Andrew Tate one. It's actually funny. It's hilarious, but it's really, really good at copywriting. It says things very straightforward, very concisely, and very coherent. So it's amazing for copywriting. I use it a lot for copywriting. That's it. And then these two I made here, one for helping with my Instagram ads for my clients and one for writing hooks. And so perfect example of this would be, for example, this one, which I just did for a client. So this was done by my Instagram ad maker. I simply put it in, I said, review this. And then I've literally fed the GPT with a bunch of information about how I make my ads, the formats, the frameworks, the examples, etc. Because that's what this custom GPT thing is. It's essentially just programming it with your information, since it's already scraped all this information off the web. If you tell it to create an Instagram ad, chances are it'll be completely different to the format which you're used to following. So we're doing custom GPTs, we're feeding it with our own information, and then its output will be based on that. So right here, and it was perfect. Are you an Aussie business owner looking for professional, highly converting landing pages in under 2 weeks without spending hours providing content or getting locked into a crazy retainer? Very good. Maybe it could be worded better, and then that's where a custom-made GPT comes in. You see, I could simply copy this. I could simply go to Explore, and I could search in simple. This is another tool which I very much like, Simple Rewriter. I can come in, bam, and it'll rewrite this very simple, as you can see. And this is better because now everyone will be able to understand. They don't have to think about the meaning of the words. Now, how do you create one? We're going to click create, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a good one. And so then like that, formal, let it load in, and then I can proceed from there. Now what you can do instead is take that screenshot and then paste it into the normal GPT. Let's just say this one, or let's just say GPT-4, and you can paste it in, and you can say, and it's going to summarize it. So it's going to analyze it and summarize it, because it looks like the builder can't do it, but this one can. And I'm not doing 4.0 because you run out of points with it. It's really annoying. Here we go, and let that produce, and then here, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to go over to my Figma, and I'm going to go to the YouTube tab, and I'm just going to start screenshotting. Here are some YouTube videos which I've been making. I'm just going to be like, summarize, right? It'll then do that as well. And I'm also going to be like, here's some more, take this information and create a full summary. Actually, let me just repaste it in. Yeah, so then I'm going to go over here, and I'll be like, here's some more. Create me a summary based off that. Right, I'm just going to make sure I get absolutely everything. Yeah, and content ideas and types. Bam. And then I'm also going to go to my Notion, and I'm going to screenshot everything on YouTube as well. And then I'll be like, and here are some other ideas as well. And here are some more. Bam. Okay. And here's the final ideas which have been made. Bam. Okay, because this is just like an employee. It's like you're prompting your employee, and a lot of the time they just need clarity on things, otherwise they're not going to be able to perform well. So you just ask them like, hey, can you explain to me, like, can you explain to me the type of, actually I'll go here, can you give me 20 video ideas for Liam's ICP, or to target Liam's ICP. Maybe it's just a bad prompt. Here we go. So now it understands. How I built a 1 million. Yeah, so these are much better, even though I haven't built 1 million, but like the ultimate guide, yeah. A lot of these are really good, and that's exactly how you create a GPT, and then you can configure it. I would always suggest, depending on what you need, I would say web browsing, yes. DALL-E image generation, yes, but it does get annoying because sometimes if you misprompt it, it'll generate an image which you just want to text. And code interpreter and data analysis is important because then you can upload screenshots. Top tools, secret formula to building a loyal online community. So these are really good. So I'm going to say create. So you could see there was a couple of problems here which happened, but you just have to like ask it because it's literally the creator. It's like the builder. Okay, so they can't publish it. So you just say like make it a only me. But yeah, it's just about troubleshooting it until you get the perfect output. Don't be afraid if it takes you time because now it's just created this ideation machine, which I'll literally use to come up for the next ideas which you guys are watching. But let's test it out just so I can show you the power of it because I know you probably want to see the output. Like, can you suggest some hyper niche YouTube topics for my content strategy? Bam. How I scaled to me from 0 to 100k a month, 200% growth, top content trends. So these are really good. How to get 100x ROAS in 30 days, 0 to 15k a month at 15. This content strategy would triple your revenue at ICP. So so that was just the right prompt because these are pretty good. Like HTC case study, this kind of, yeah. How to use YouTube as a powerful acquisition funnel, 10 tools, hacks, ads, viral, content monetization. Yeah, so that's the right prompt. So it's just about finding the right prompt. Like, give me 25 more. It's just about getting the right prompt and then just scaling with it. Ultimate guide to SEO for shorts. How to create a content calendar. And then you can take these ideas and expand. Okay, how to create a Notion content suite. Right? And you can just keep expanding from these and so on and so forth.